try this at home. Boy, I tell you what, this is a tense moment, but these are professionals. Boy, they did an excellent job. I just want to thank you, Harper Tree Service and Everett Crane Service. Man, they just did an excellent job, him and his crew. And man, Everett, we all got it done safe and got it all cleaned up. And I sure hate to see these trees go, but you know what? It's just time. So anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you. And hey, I got another one coming out that'll actually be the longer version of this. But anyway, make sure you hit the thumbs up, like, thank you, and God bless. See you on my next adventure.